Hi everyone, if you wish to buy this soft toy Oggy, the link will be in the description box. Do check it out.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox Oggy. Let's see. Oh wow, it's Oggy. So cute. See his nose, his eyes, his ears, his whiskers, his nose, his teeth, his gloves, his legs, his tummy, and he doesn't have no tail, but he can chase any cockroaches. And you know he's too big. Now everybody see Oggy's hands, his whiskers, his cheeks, his ears, his legs. He can walk, and he's alive, soft and blue. And his head is black, and his hair is black. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share.